Hey guys, it's myself here. Welcome back to the channel. Now today I wanted to share with you guys some easy and simple lightweight modifications that you can use on your iPhone in order to customize it without having to jailbreak or jump in through any vigorous methods in order to get these to work. These are going to be straightforward, very simple, a few clicks, and you can customize your iPhone and it's going to look really cool. And let me show you a few custom lightweight mods that you can use on your iPhone right now. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, the first thing I want to share with you guys is what I like to call super dark mode. Now, if we go into settings here, you see that each category has these separators, these gray shades under the separations. Same thing applies. For example, here in the Mails application, you have separators right there. Same thing applies for any app that has any dark background in iOS. But what if you want to remove those so it looks clean without any separations? Well, you want to go into settings here. You want to go into accessibilities, display and text size, and you want to enable right here reduce white point. Now, while reducing white points is something that's going to require you to have your brightness up higher than you normally would, this also removes any separators. So take a look at the categories here. When I enable it, boom, they disappear. As I mentioned, you have to put the brightness up slightly more than you would normally would, but the separators are gone. Now, the magic number in my opinion is 80%, so it's not extremely dark, but also you can see the screen and remove the separators at the same time. So there it is, no separators in between the categories. Let's go back into accessibilities, display and text size here. Let me go ahead and disable it. As you can see right there, the separators, enable it and removes the separators. Same thing applies here for the Mail application right there. As I mentioned, anything with a black background, same thing applies here for the clock. Really cool. It removes any separators from the menus, just gives your device a cleaner look in my opinion. Go ahead and check it out. It's something very simple, lightweight mod for your iPhone in order to give your device a cleaner look. I think you guys are going to really like this one. Now for the next mod, I want to show you how to change this white icons on the status bar to black. So you see here the carrier logo, the Wi-Fi signal, the cell signal, and every icon here is color white. I'm going to show you how to turn that into the color black. It's very simple to do. What you want to do is go into settings. You want to go into accessibilities here. You want to scroll down until you find per app settings, this category right here. Now you want to go ahead and search for the home option. So home screen option, right there it is. And under home screen options, you want to tap in here and go into the smart invert categories here. And then you want to enable it. Now take a look at the status bar when I enabled this. Enable it, boom. The status bar is completely gone. Now it does come back when you open and close the application, but on the home screen here, what you have now is black text for the time, the Wi-Fi signal, the battery, everything now turned into the color black, even the carrier logo. I think that is super cool, super easy to do. Again, that's going to be under the smart invert options. Obviously, you can go back to default and it goes back to the color white. But if you want a custom dark mode color for the icons and the text on your control center and status bar icons, that is the way to do it. Simple. Again, you want to go into the per app settings and find the home extension and use that smart invert option. Something simple, again, straightforward, lightweight mod, but it makes your device look different. Now, I'm not sure if you've noticed that the weather icon is next to the clock here on the home screen of my iPhone. Now, I do have a separate video on this, but I'm going to show you how to achieve this. It's super simple. Let's go into the Photos application here and click on Edit on whatever wallpaper that we want to apply. Now, right now, I do have an emoji right there. It is on the top left corner. I'm just going to go ahead and remove that here. Just click on Markup, tap into it, and then just simply delete it. And let me show you how to achieve this. You choose the wallpaper you want, you click on the plus icon here, you click on add text, and then you double tap it in order to remove the text and replace that with any emoji. So let's say I want this weather emoji right here where it's raining and lightning. All I have to do is apply that under the text option. Go ahead and move it around here on the actual wallpaper to the top left corner here. And it doesn't have to be exact because you can always adjust the wallpaper. I prefer a gradient wallpaper so it's easier to adjust here. And then just click done. Once you do that, click done and then apply this as wallpaper here. And then just use it as wallpaper here. I can move it around and then find the exact spot where I want it, just like so. And then just set it as a wallpaper. And now I can have a weather icon next to the time right there. Now, something super simple, straightforward, and easy, lightweight mod, but it gives your device some type of customization and personalization. You can use any emoji that you would like. on the status bar of your iPhone. Pretty cool. Now, last but not least, I want to show you how to change the lock on your lock screen to an Apple logo, and just like so, it looks like you're unlocking the Apple logo. Now, this one is simple as well. It only requires a wallpaper that contains 2 wallpapers. Links will be in the description down below. Go ahead and check out these wallpapers, and all you have to do is press and hold on the image in order to save it to your camera roll. So you have the lock screen image and then the home screen image. I'm going to show you how to apply it. There's different colors, by the way, not only the silver that you see there. There's blue to match your iPhone, green, pink. We also have purple, just a ton of colors that you can choose from right here, but I'm just going to go with the standard silver color that you just saw here. And let me show you how simple it is to apply this. Well, here's the wallpaper. This is going to be the lock screen version, and this is going to be the home screen version. So just simply go ahead and apply as wallpaper here. The first one with the Apple logo or half Apple logo is going to be your lock screen logo. So let's apply that to the lock screen. And then the other wallpaper is simply going to be the home screen wallpaper. So we're going to apply that, use it as the home screen wallpaper, just like so. And now when you go to unlock your iPhone, Face ID is detected, it unlocks the Apple logo, and you see the swipe up to unlock text. You can actually make that very, very large as well. If you go into settings here and we go back into accessibilities and the per app settings that we talked about earlier, we can go into the home options here and go with bolder text, right? We enable that, and then we want to make the text super large, just like so. And then we go back to the lock screen. It looks hilarious in my opinion, but the date and time is super large, and the swipe up to open is large as well. Something simple, again, a super lightweight modifications for your iPhone. Let me know what you think about some of these in the comments down below. Of course, you can always revert all of these back to their normal state if you wish to do so. That's why I call them lightweight modifications, but yet something that can customize your device, simple to do. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. Let me know if you know about any of these, and if you enjoy these videos, don't forget to click that like button. It really helps the channel out a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.